It's Vina Jones again with the Cumberland River Compact. You know, I told you that stormwater pollution from individual behavior creates real problems for pollution in our streams and creeks. And I want to show you an example of just how that happens. Come over here. As you can see, this is your typical storm drain that you see on the street. Look at all the garbage. And what does that say? No dumping, drains to stream. But as you can see, people have dumped and littered, and to realize that that is going directly into our streams is a huge problem, not only for wildlife, but for the individuals who need to clean the water. Hi Jennifer, where does the rain go when it falls from the sky and hits this ground?
It goes in the drain pipes.
In the drain pipes? And where does that drain pipe take that? That's it.
Oh, okay.
Hi George, I want to know what you think happens when it rains and the rainwater hits this parking lot. Where does it go?
I guess into the ground.
Into the ground. What about on the sidewalk?
To the grass.
All of it goes into the grass?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not sure.
Hi, we're here with Urban. So Urban, when it rains, like it's getting ready to rain, where does that water go when that rainwater hits the parking lot?
Most of the time it evaporates, runs down the walk.
It evaporates and runs down the walk?
Yeah.
And then where does it go, the water that doesn't evaporate?
In the sewer system.
In the sewer system? And I'm with Jerry. Jerry, can you tell me what do you think happens when it rains and the rainwater hits the parking lot?
Evaporates.
It evaporates? What about on a day like this when it's too cold to evaporate? Where does it go?
Takes longer to evaporate.
I'm here with Vaughn, and we're going to ask Vaughn a question. So Vaughn, when it rains, what happens to the rainwater when it falls on this parking lot?
It goes in the ground.
It goes into the ground? Can it go into the ground on this hard surface?
Well, not the concrete, but it goes into the ground.
Into the ground?
Yeah.
Right on. Is there anything else? So how do you feel about litter on the parking lots?
Sometimes it gets recycled too.
Hi James. So when it rains, what happens to the water when it rains and it hits this parking lot?
The way on it should go in a storm drain.
And what happens to that water when it goes into a storm drain?
Eventually it goes to the Cumberland River.
Oh, James, you're our first guy and you exactly know. So do you think that littering in the parking lots and stuff is really
It's not healthy.
Not healthy? Well, thanks, James, for the great answer. We're just wrapping up here at the Hill Center from interviewing all the people across Middle Tennessee about what happened to the rainwater once it hits our streets and pavements. We wanted to connect with people to see if they realized that rainwater became stormwater and anything that was on the ground would be picked up by that water and pushed into the storm drains and would eventually make its way into our streams and creeks. Some people did make that connection and were very concerned about any type of litter that happened in our parking lots and on the sidewalk. Other people thought that the stormwater was treated just like sewage and went to the wastewater treatment plant where it was filtered out and cleaned before it was returned to our rivers. And other people still had really no idea and actually never thought about what would happen to rainwater when it hit the hard surfaces of our built environment. So remember, when you see stormwater, make sure that it's clean from litter by not putting anything on the ground that might pollute it and make its way into our rivers and streams and impair the aquatic life and also detract from the water quality that we hold so dear.